Morning, Dad.
Morning, honey.
Is that pancakes?
Yep.
My favorite.
I got some extra stuff on it. So
Ooh.
here you go.
Thank you. Delicious.
Can you go upstairs? Go to your room and eat them.
Okay. Dad! It's my birthday tomorrow.
That also means it's time to find you a good friend.
Okay. Okay. I'll get it. Oh, hi, Wiggly Woo.
Can I come in?
Yeah, sure.
What smells so good?
Ooh, Dad's making pancakes.
Ooh, can I have some?
Sure.
Hello, Draco. Can I have some of those pancakes? They smell delicious. Yes.
Come on, let's go eat. We've been walking for hours.
We're never going to find anyone.
Oh my God.
What?
Look, it's another one. Hi.
Another Dad. Oh my goodness, this is amazing.
Hi. I'm Duncan. What's your name?
I'm Draco.
I'm
And
Mittens.
this is my daughter, Mittens. Hi. Well,
Do you want to come fishing with me? Sure.
I'll leave you two to do that.
That was nice. Do you want to come to my house? Sure. I'm faster than you.
I'm only 5 years old. I'm half the age of you.
Fine. Great, you got me. Tag. What are you two doing? You want some milk and cookies?
Yay! Quickly! I'm gonna be first at the table.
What were they doing?
I'm so
Playing tag again.
I'm so happy you two had children.
Thank you.
They can be a bit annoying sometimes, though.
Yeah.